truck, we had to load it up. It's kind of crazy. Stay tuned. We're going to find out what's going on, Mamba fans.
And where the issue's at is right down here.
All right, guys, welcome to our all-new Cash Mystery Box. Your chance to win this epic bagged and boosted wide-body Mustang. What is a Cash Mystery Box? Well, first, they're worth 500 entries and contain anywhere from $1 to $1,000 in each box. Here we go. Each box now contains, of course, our hats, our t-shirts, our decals, our hoodies, and now this money here will be included in your box. It pays to enter anywhere from $1 to $1,000 for a chance to win this Mustang. A winning combination. Go down to StangMode.com, grab some merch. Good luck. All right, guys, we're gonna load up the rental here. Cash was gonna help me take the Mamba, poor thing. I'm going through all these transmissions now. It's probably our last hurrah. But we're gonna load it up, take it to Pittsburgh, see if we can fix this trans. And you know, this is kind of like super crazy. You're talking about 1, 2, 3, 4 times trying to get this right, and I'll go from there. Yeah, shout out to Casters. They really helped us out here. They always help us out. We had to actually push the Mamba on the trailer in reverse because the splitter was hitting. But it's quite a headache, but gotta do what we gotta do. That was super easy, right?
Fuck no. It's not easy. Oh, sorry.
No, it's all good.
Well.
We had to take the Mamba to Pittsburgh. We're gonna do a road trip here. We had to rent a truck. We had to load it up. It's kind of crazy. Stay tuned. We're gonna find out what's going on, Mamba fans. Our guy in Pittsburgh, Scott's gonna open it up, find out the damage. Journey continues. Never ends, literally. All right, fast forward 6 hours later. I drove the Ram. Incredibly heavy. Got a little worried about it, so I had to drive the Ram.
You're driving 40 miles an hour on the highway.
I had precious cargo.
40 miles per hour.
Plus it was raining, snowing. Wasn't that fog?
Passed by Priuses.
Wasn't that fog thick as heck though?
No.
That was a thick fog.
Baby
Give me some credit. Yeah. Because I gave away the Raptor, I had to rent a Ram. People are like, oh, you should never give it away. No, this Ram's done pretty good. I like it. But we're headed to Scott, the 10R80 Whisperer. We're actually near West Virginia, but it's like West Virginia and PA.
Just push the button. In the Dodges, you don't actually have to put your foot on the gas for the remote start. You just push the button.
Okay. That's it? That's cool, because I'm used to putting my foot on the brake.
Yeah.
Cool. That's what I do like about the Ram. With the Fords, it cuts you off like quickly. You can see the backup cam. Of course, I'm parked, but while you're driving, you can see it.
You actually do while you're driving.
Yeah, which is cool. All right, let's go.
Thanks to Incredible Hammy cleaning off the camera. It is so clear, that camera right now, that he wouldn't even know what to do without me.
You said that. I was like, nope.
Yeah, look at that camera. Ain't no Ford's got that quality.
Edit. This is like God's country, bro. Look at this. This is where you take the Mustang. You know, remember Rocky went to the mountains to train? This is where I even take Mamba.
Ignore that comment, guys.
Remember?
Yeah, I remember.
Dude, where are we? It's like crazy.
This is nuts. That's like a house. It looks like.
We got a steep incline here. Let's go, Ram. Let's see what you got, baby.
Battling down the road at 18 miles an hour.
See what you got, baby.
Are we sure? Look at this road, guys. Does this look safe? Like, hopefully we can like get out here.
3 weeks later, many months later, 2,000 years later.
Yeah, let him do it. He knows what he's doing. I don't want to mess his house up. I seen that power box and I was like, yeah, we may need that. Perfect. I would have did. I gotta hold the camera though, you know. Hey man, pleasure. Nice meeting you, bro. Scott. Appreciate you. So you built. Tell us a little bit about yourself. I mean, obviously, I just kind of ran here in the middle of the night, like, help me.
Yeah.
So what's your deal, bro?
I worked for Ford for probably let's go like 13 years.
Oh wow.
I'm a Ford senior master. I left for a while and I worked for a performance diesel shop and didn't work out. Worked there for like 4 years.
Yeah.
Left, back to the Ford dealership again, and kind of working at the dealer and doing my own thing.
All right. Well, you guys want to find out? I'll put his link in the description. But yeah. So just a rundown. I'll give you a little history of this car. Has a VMP ODIN Supercharger kit on it. Stock block. Got oil pump gears though.
Yeah.
It went 9.5 at like 140 something back in March of 2020. But it had just the clutches done by Brett LaSala.
Yeah.
Trans was fine for a while. Then we pushed it. We want to get to 8.
It don't taper.
Yeah. We started pulling down. Went 9.1. And then we went 8.9. And the trans said bye.
Been there.
Yeah. So we got to 8. We're just happy. But then we like, okay, let's get that was back in October. I wanted to get like maybe 8.7. You know, a little bit deeper, back it up.
Yeah.
And you know, follow Gomez, you know, they got like all the records. So I sent it out. We're just having bad luck right now. And hopefully, you know, Houston's a lot further.
Oh, yeah.
On the real though, this feels like we're somewhere, this is like a fortress of solitude out here. But you know, hopefully you can help us out and find out. Highly recommend. Chris was like blowing me up. He's like, car drives like butter. You got to come out here. So that's why we're here. But anyways, let me stop vlogging. Let's load up. That wasn't bad, yeah. Go. Holy shit. Easy peasy.
Just finished all the steel and all that insulation.
Wow.
See, it makes it nice and warm.
This is where I wish I knew how to wrench. You know, this is the kind of thing that is like, look at this.
Oh, I'm going here.
I know. That was cool. Wow. So this is a pole barn that you just kind of like kept building. Yeah, I need to do this, man. Yeah.
Those 100% look like the ones that I bought off eBay for my blower car I had.
Really?
they honestly deteriorated in the same way.
All right, well, Lethal Performance. Mamba needs some headers as soon as possible. Apparently I have eBay headers according to Scott. So that's probably why we are not going. Yeah. Yeah. Listen, it gets the job done. It's funny because I did the whole video install of it going in. Like we did all this work. Like, yeah. So now we're taking out the fluid. All right, guys. This could use a good cleaning though. Definitely dry the heck out of it. Pretty much.
Starting from
I need to get a freaking table mount. You want me out of the way?
No, please. This is perfect. I always, whenever someone opens it up, I get super intimidated, dude. I don't know. These transmission guys.
But you don't look at it.
Yeah, yeah. Okay.
That shouldn't have anything to do with what you got going on. And this is your A clutch. Whew. Which, I mean, A is fine. That's not. That's never really a clutch that I see an issue with.
Okay.
And where the issue's at is right down here.
Stand up, I guess.
Yeah, they stand pretty good.
Yeah.
A million moving pieces.
Jeez, this is insane.
It's all gears locking in gears. And
I know.
Gears and gears.
Never ending. So this is your C clutch, which isn't the issue either. D is on this side. And I don't see anything exactly like that would cause that to do that with that. It looks like all the teeth were locked up. Alright, so everything looks good.
Okay.
Sometimes those steels that you get from Ford end up having like a little bit of stuff on them. But, I mean, you look fine.
So far, so good. The mystery is still revealing itself.
Stuff looks fine.
So the material looks good so far?
Yeah, everything looks fine. I mean, everything looks brand new like it's supposed to. And it's not a direct like issue to the build.
Sure.
It could just be a solenoid body. We just want to be sure that
Nothing, yeah.
I don't want you to have any questions on it.
Yeah, no, I appreciate you like breaking this all down again. Mm-hmm. Fantastic Four. Yeah.
Everything looks fine.
All right.
There's only one more, and it's all the way down here. Yeah, there's signs of like misassembly. Sometimes whenever you, if you put them together wrong, they'll end up having this will push against, which you can see kind of like a riding surface.
Yeah.
But like normally it'll grind into it a lot harder. So there's no problem with like actual workmanship as I can see at this point in time. So I'll go back over all the seals afterwards, but I mean, actually, that seal looks a little weird. Has like a little fold over it right there.
Yeah, I see that.
That's the only thing I see that looks kind of weird right there. This one takes a little more to tear down, but
I know. So I'm happy at least the material's in good shape. Yeah.
That's actually good then.
So that's good news.
yeah, everything doesn't look bad. I mean, we'll verify all the seals are good.
Yeah.
And I mean, I could have air checked it, but I mean, sometimes these things have more. They have a leak. They have like just calibrated leak, so it makes it sound like a leak. So it's supposed to be there. So we'll just kind of go over it with a fine-tooth comb.
Okay. But I guess based off an initial inspection, the clutches, everything looks good.
Everything's
Okay,
fine.
good.
There wasn't a workmanship problem. It's just it could be just a faulty solenoid body, but
Okay.
What about anything with the converter? Did that affect anything, you think, or?
for engagement-wise, no.
No.
It's- I mean, it's all it does is spin the pump, and as long as you have base pressure, and it's not engaging the converter in
Gotcha.
like
Got it.
reverse drive.
Yeah.
But yeah.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, we'll be over and like I said, I do have a replacement solenoid body here to like, so we can put that.
Perfect.
And we'll see if that fixes it.
We let you do your thing from now on, and then we just wait to hear back.
Yeah, you can do that or
All
whichever.
right. The hardware is in good shape, so that's good, and hopefully it's something simple. And if you want to follow Scott and all his builds and what he's doing, appreciate him. Link in description. What's your handle, bro, on Instagram?
Richardson 50.
Richardson 50. Hey guys, I just want to say thank you so much for Scott for his time. Incredible Hemi taking me on this road trip with us. Mamba, the journey continues. Please like and subscribe. We'll continue this process to hopefully get to Texas 2K, see what she does. And also, guys, remember, if you're watching this in time, the Mustang giveaway is live, but it ends January 31st. Every $5 spent like on a hat like this, hood like this, gives you a chance to win. All right, you guys, it never ends. Peace.